कल दिल्ली के फेमस बैंड वालाज ने हमारे टास्क में अपनी हाई एनर्जी के साथ बहुत मस्ती डाल दी।
Look straight into the lens, yeah. That's nice. Stay there for a couple of shots, yeah. Beautiful.
Show me the highway.
And the girls had to match their spirit while giving perfect shots. All that excitement might have been too much for the girls, so we allowed them a little time to unwind before the dreaded elimination.
The craziest thing I've done was teaching dance in the plane. One little girl came and she's like, Didi, can you teach me? I said, yeah. And I started teaching that small girl a little moves, yeah? It was funny.
I was in class 9th, I remember. One of my friends used to chop her hair herself. So she convinced me and she took all of this section from my head and she chopped off. I thought I have a very cool hairstyle now. So next morning when I woke up, they were all standing and I was looking bad, horrible. When we were in hostel, me and my friends, we burned crackers in, at the door of our principal's room, and next day we all had to suffer. One day I was so pissed off. I wanted to chop my hair and literally I did.
I went out with my juniors to have a drink and I got so drunk. When I was getting down the stairs, I puked and my friend slipped on my puke and fell. The craziest thing I've ever done is making friends with Radhika. The moment I saw her, I got those crazy vibes out of her and she was the only girl I was talking to and even she did the same thing. So I think we have a crazy connection and making friends with her was the craziest thing I did.
Guys, what do you think about the band wala task we had? The photographer was cute.
I feel really good after that because I used a prop. I used actually two. The trumpet and then the guy, but I could have used that guy a little better, I felt.
Yeah, I didn't see any fun element in the costume. So when we wore it, I thought it's going to be something
very tribal.
Yeah, very tribal. Yeah,
Tribal was the only word that
very Vikings actually, very Viking type. So, but it wasn't like that.
That's the reason they wanted some contrast, like, you know.
Yeah. Probably, yes.
Any idea who's going to win this?
I have no clue.
I think Aishwarya is going to win this.
I think you're going to win this.
Why do you think so?
Yeah. No, I think you'll win it.
But why? Why do you think that?
I don't know. I just think you'll win it. I have a feeling.
Don't you think Pinky will win it? She's the most he types.
He types.
I mean, she's smiling. She's fun-loving more. Like.
No, but then you come across in the pictures that your smiling pictures look. Yeah.
Okay.
I liked it. I liked all your smiling.
For the best.
Thank you. Take my name.
Because you're hot.
I think Aishwarya will win because I'm a psychic.
Pictures कैसे आते हैं उस पर depend करता है. True, very true.
All right, girls. I think we're getting late for the runway. Let's go prepare ourselves.
Let's go. Woo!
Today.
And if someone falls, then please not when I'm on the head ramp, yeah? Every time a girl stands next to me, she falls. I don't know why. I hope it doesn't happen again.
and welcome to the Kingfisher Runway. Last night, the girls danced and posed to high-octane music, and tonight, they will sashay down this beautiful runway. अब ये तो सब चाहती हैं कि उनकी पिक्चर हो आज की विनिंग पिक्चर, पर सिर्फ एक मॉडल हो सकती है जिसे ये ऑनर मिलेगा. To help me decide which girl has the best balance between fun and fabulous, I have with me style guru and our resident judge, Mohan Neelkantan. Are you ready for a really tough decision this evening? Because I'm seeing these girls, they're just getting fabulous with time.
Well, I love tough decisions, so bring it on.
Excellent. And joining us on the judges panel, I also have with me one of the biggest names in Indian fashion, Reena Dhaka. Hey, Reena.
How are you?
I'm good, thank you. How are you doing?
Very good. It's beautiful here.
Oh, I'm glad you're having fun. But, you know, Reena, what are the makings of a supermodel according to you?
You're standing in front of me.
Thank you, Reena. All right, let's have the music and let the girls take over the stage.
Fame, fame, fame flowing through my veins, and I won't stop till everyone knows my name. Body hot, never stop like a disease. Takes me over till I fall to my knees. I'm a well-trained, maintained beauty queen. The rumor on the street is that I'm making it big. Boom, 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 I'm gonna blow it away. On the big screen, always same birds of the day. I've got this blaze, 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 igniting my soul. This on-screen romance growing out of control.
Ladies, you look absolutely stunning tonight in these gorgeous outfits by Karan Malhotra. But I have to say that it's really hard, you know, walking in outfits like this. I've been on the ramp and always have this at the back of your head saying, oh my God, I hope I don't trip. I hope I don't trip. I hope I don't trip. And I know that all of you were like thinking about it, but none of you showed it, which is absolutely fantastic. You make me so proud sometimes. You know what? I want to ask you a question. If anybody, any of the girls who stayed in your mind, like as far as the better walkers,
Both of you on the left.
Radhika and
The one next to her.
Reena.
And you on this side.
And you mean Medhika?
You
So-
had a sense of an effortless walk.
All right, so that's a big compliment coming from Reena Dhaka. That's great. So Reena, last week you weren't well. You had fever. There were other situations with you. How are you feeling right now?
Yeah, much better.
Are you happy to be back on the runway?
Yes, very much.
You know what? We're going to talk to you more when we see your pictures. But right now, can we have the first girl up, please? Medhika. Medhika, मुझे सबसे पहले ये बताओ, this whole task was about having fun. Everything was great. You had Saurabh shooting you and he was doing a fantastic job. I kept telling you, just have fun. Why were you holding back from having fun?
The moment that band wale bhaiya entered, so he was very conscious doing a shoot with me.
If you have fun with somebody who's conscious, you have to always see that the contrast comes out. Reena, what do you think?
I like the smiling ones.
Yes, the smiling one. Thank God. Okay, Medhika, which one's your favorite? The strong one or the fun one?
Of course, the smiling one, yes.
Sometimes a photographer likes to keep all his options open, you know that?
Yeah.
So there is the brief of smiling, but then he said, okay, maybe with your body language and the way you looked, he thought he could work on these pictures as well.
Well, I like the smiling because it's got a sense of catching spontaneity. That's like a moment, you know, where you are unaware and he's picked it. And I think that makes a great picture.
Great shots. Thank you.
Thank you.
Pinky. पिंकी, आप मेरे को बताओ कि आपको कैसे लग रहा था टास्क पे जाने के पहले? Were you nervous?
I wasn't nervous at all because आपने बता के रखा था कि you need to have fun there.
Fortunately, we don't see any smiling pictures here.
She looks like one of the Bond mean girls who come and kill.
That's really not a bad thing to be, actually. I'm sure she's taking that as a huge compliment right now.
Bad girl, bad Bond
That
girl.
beautiful smile of yours is missing, Pinky.
No, but I tried to smile. Before I went there, I really was in a mood to fun. I was smiling all the time. But I don't know, like...
But I did see that you use your prop really well, you know. You haven't cut your body at the wrong places. You haven't covered your face. Those are the makings of a good shot. As far as looking good, I think she looks great. Do I see the fun? I say no, not at all.
There's something very candid about this one.
This shot's good. Because
this shot is good. That at least gets...
It's very loosey-loo and relaxed.
Yeah.
There are some really good shots here. Great photography. And I think you have potential. Your face is versatile. You can do many looks on it.
Thank you.
No, I don't know what that means because we'd given you a brief. If there's a brand that says that it's a really big brand that comes to you and says, okay, you look great, you're the face for our campaign and you need to just smile. Are you not going to smile? Our next supermodel, Aishwarya.